Welcome to a wild jungle adventure. Milo the Mischief Monkey.
I want to become the smartest monkey ever!
Smart animals read books. I will read all the books today.
Why are these letters dancing? This is too hard!
I will act like the elephant and become smart.
Why is the monkey walking like me?
I am a smart elephant now!
Milo, being smart is not about copying others.
Then how can I become smart? Oh, I understand now.
Ask questions and learn step by step.
And Milo finally understood that being smart does not mean copying others.
And Milo finally understood. Everyone becomes smart in their own special way. Step by step, little by little,